Choosing the right RC radio transmitter can make a huge difference in control, range, and overall performance. Poor signal stability, limited channels, and uncomfortable design can ruin your RC experience. The best transmitters should offer reliable connectivity, precise control, and flexible compatibility. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best RC radio transmitters you can buy right now, perfect for cars, boats, tanks, drones, and airplanes. We reviewed features, performance, and real user feedback to build this list. Check the description for links and latest prices. Let's get started.
Number 5. DUMBORC DD-F350 10-channel transmitter. The DUMBORC DD-F350 is a powerful 10-channel RC transmitter designed for versatility and control. Using a 2.4 GHz FHSS system, it provides stable signal transmission with low interference. The included receiver ensures easy setup, while the LCD display allows real-time monitoring of settings. Ideal for RC cars, boats, and tanks, it offers smooth responsiveness and customizable controls. With its strong range and reliable performance, it's a great option for hobbyists looking for an affordable multi-channel transmitter.
Number 4. FLYSKY FS-i6 6CH transmitter. The FLYSKY FS-i6 is a popular 6-channel transmitter known for its simplicity and reliability. It operates on a 2.4 GHz system and comes with multiple receiver compatibility options like IA6, IA6B, and others. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's comfortable for long use sessions. It's especially suitable for beginners flying RC airplanes or drones. With stable signal performance and easy setup, this transmitter offers great value for those entering the RC hobby. Number 3. Radiolink RC6GS V3 transmitter. The Radiolink RC6GS V3 is a feature-rich 7-channel transmitter built for precision and control. It includes a gyro-enabled receiver and supports telemetry for real-time data feedback. The 2.4 GHz system ensures stable connectivity, while its ergonomic design enhances comfort during use. Perfect for RC cars and boats, it delivers accurate steering and throttle response. With its advanced features and reliable performance, it's a solid choice for intermediate to advanced users. Number 2. INJORA 6-channel digital transmitter. The INJORA 6-channel transmitter is designed for RC enthusiasts who need stable control and versatility. It comes with a gyro receiver, improving stability and handling for crawlers, cars, and boats. The 2.4 GHz digital system ensures consistent signal transmission with minimal interference. Its compact design and responsive controls make it easy to use for both beginners and experienced users. Ideal for 1/8 and 1/10 scale RC models, this transmitter delivers reliable, everyday performance. Number 1. Jumper Bumblebee ELRS transmitter. The Jumper Bumblebee takes the top spot with its advanced ELRS system and high-performance design. Featuring Hall sensor gimbals, it delivers extremely precise and smooth control. The built-in 1000 milliwatt ELRS module provides long-range, low-latency connectivity, making it perfect for FPV drone pilots. Its compact and modern design enhances usability, while advanced customization options appeal to experienced users. This transmitter is ideal for those who want professional-level performance and cutting-edge features. A high-quality RC transmitter ensures better control, range, and overall performance. From beginner-friendly models to advanced ELRS systems, these top picks offer something for every RC enthusiast. Which one fits your setup best? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews.